Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of Service Seller app. So in this video lecture, we are going to learn how to delete a service of the seller because the seller have a right to manage their services. In the later video, in the previous lecture, we have implement how to update the services. So in this lecture, we are going to learn how to delete the services. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the previous method which we have created for update. So now I'm going to create a one method delete services, and here it accepts id because we have to pass the id of the document which we want to delete. Okay, so here let's pass the async. Let's pass async, and here I'm going to add a firebase firestore dot instance dot collection, and here we have to give the name of the collection. Okay, so here it is a services and dot delete doc. Sorry, first of all we have to give it a doc, and here I have to pass a id of the document. This id of a document is the document of the services which we want to delete. Okay, so I will pass the id here and dot delete. Okay, so just put a terminator and also show the toast message here, flutter toast dot show toast, and here it is deleted successfully. Okay, okay, fine. So now I'm going to place it in a long press. Okay, so instead of this we are also put the delete icon here. Okay, that would be a better option. So I'm going to custom service box, and this column here, this is a column. Okay, so wrap this column in a raw widget. Okay, so that we put the delete icon here. So I am going to wrap the column. Just wrap the column with raw widget. Here it is, and main axis alignment dot space between, main axis alignment dot space between, and second widget is, first widget is this column, and second widget is icon button. Okay, icon button on pressed, let's first leave it empty, and icon icon icons dot, okay, icons dot delete. So here we have to pass the on press method. So here I am going to pass on press method on press method. Okay, so just go to the view services screen and copy this code and go back to that screen and paste it here. Let's make it a async and put a await here. Okay, let's import this firebase firestore. Okay, fine, widget dot id, not simple id, because widget dot id. Okay, now import the cloud firestore as well, and flutter toast library as well. Okay, so here I'm going here in view services screen and hot reload the app and see whether the delete icon appear, and it works perfectly fine or not for a second. So delete icons appear here. So when I click on delete icon, so it shows the deleted successfully. It means our deleted feature is working perfectly fine. We just have to, so manage services will be implemented. So when I single click on screen any service, it show the update service dialog box in which we are update the services, and when I click on delete button, it will delete the services. Okay, so just make the little bit bigger. First I remove this empty method here, and in custom service box I am going to increase the size of the icon size and make it a 25.0 and check whether it is fine or not. So just hot reload the app in still small and make it a 35 and hot reload the app. I think now it's perfectly good. So just wait for 1 to 2 seconds. So now it's perfectly fine. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel and share the video with your other friends. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.